A Belgrade man appeared to cry in court today with his first appearance on charges of shooting his wife to death. MTN's Caitlin Corbett with a live report from the Law and Justice Center as the case moves forward after the tragedy in Belgrade over the weekend. Caitlin.
Donna, I'm here outside of the Law and Justice Center where 47-year-old Joseph Paul Dewise appeared in Gallatin County Justice Court this morning on a charge of deliberate homicide. Dewise was arrested on Thursday afternoon and is charged with the shooting death of his estranged wife, Lauren Walder Dewise, last Sunday. Another woman, Ashley Van Heemer, was also critically injured in the shooting that happened on the 1300 block of Idaho Street. It was revealed in court that Dewise has no adult criminal history, but was reportedly charged as a minor for possession. Defense attorneys stated Dewise had small business interests, including running an Airbnb, but that he could not do heavy work because of a mountain biking accident. Dewise became emotional as the defense attorney explained how his ex-wife, who lives in Florida, would be coming to pick up his 3 children, the youngest whom he shared with Lauren, and that he would need to speak with her on the matter. Gallatin County prosecutors told the court that alcohol is believed to have played a role in the incident and continued to ask for a $1 million bail. The defense argued for a $50,000 bail before Judge Brian Adams settled on a bail of $800,000. Belgrade police officers and Gallatin County Sheriff's deputies arrived to the home on Idaho Street January 7th to find the back door frame broken. Inside, Lauren had already passed away from what appeared to be gunshot wounds, and Van Heemer was critically injured. The woman who reported the shooting told officers she immediately suspected Dewise had done something to Lauren. Dewise was taken into custody for questioning later that same day and reportedly denied any involvement in the murder, but did tell police he owned several guns. He was later released. Interviews with those familiar to the couple allegedly conveyed that Dewise was physically abusive towards his wife, causing her to leave the relationship. Dewise and Lauren were reportedly supposed to meet to go over divorce paperwork the day she was found dead. Over the course of the next 5 days following the shooting, police were able to gather enough evidence to bring charges against Dewise. Here at the Gallatin County Detention Center, which is just behind this building, as he awaits his preliminary hearing, which is scheduled for February 2nd. Now, if you'd like to read more about any of the evidence that led up to these charges, like footprints and shell casings that were found at the crime scene, you can visit us online. Reporting live in Bozeman, Caitlin Corbett, MTN News.
All right, Caitlin, thank you. And Dewise's case will now be moved to district court.